Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at AWS networking and content delivery. We'll explore three core AWS services that form the backbone of cloud networking: Amazon VPC for virtual private networks, Route 53 for DNS management, and CloudFront for content delivery. These services work together to create secure, scalable, and high-performance network architectures in the cloud. Let's start with networking fundamentals. Every device needs an IP address. Think of it as a postal address for network traffic. IPv4 uses 32-bit addresses like 192.0.2.0, while IPv6 uses 128-bit addresses for more devices. CIDR notation tells us how many addresses are available. For example, 192.0.2.0/24 provides 256 IP addresses. In a real scenario, a company might use 10.0.0.0/16 to provide 65,536 addresses for their entire corporate network, then subdivide this into smaller subnets for different departments. Amazon VPC creates your private network in the AWS cloud. Think of it like having your own floor in a massive office building. It's yours exclusively. A VPC belongs to one region but can span multiple availability zones for high availability. You control everything: IP addresses, subnets, and routing. For example, Netflix uses VPCs to isolate their streaming infrastructure, with public subnets for web servers facing the internet and private subnets for databases that only internal systems can access. Remember, AWS reserves 5 IP addresses in each subnet for network functions, so a 24 subnet gives you 251 usable addresses, not 256. VPCs offer multiple connectivity options. Internet gateways provide direct internet access for public subnets, like web servers that customers access. NAT gateways allow private subnet resources to reach the internet for updates while remaining protected from inbound connections. VPC peering connects two VPCs privately, like connecting your development and production environments. Transit gateways simplifies complex networks by acting as a central hub. Imagine a major airport where all flights connect through one terminal instead of point-to-point connections. For hybrid cloud scenarios, site-to-site VPN provides encrypted connections over the internet, while Direct Connect offers dedicated high bandwidth connections to your data center. VPC security uses a layered approach with two main firewall types. Security groups act like a personal bodyguard for each instance. They're stateful, meaning if you allow traffic in, the response automatically gets out. They only support allow rules and evaluate all rules before deciding. Network ACLs are like building security at the subnet level. They are stateless, so you need separate rules for inbound and outbound traffic. They support both allow and deny rules, processed in numerical order. For example, a web application might use security groups to allow only HTTP or HTTPS traffic to web servers, while network ACLs provide subnet level restrictions to block traffic from known malicious IP ranges. Route 53 is AWS's DNS service that translates domain names to IP addresses, but it's much more powerful than basic DNS. It offers intelligent routing policies for different use cases. Simple routing works like traditional DNS. Weighted routing enables A/B testing. you could send 90% of traffic to your stable servers and 10% to test new features. Latency-based routing automatically sends users to the fastest AWS region, crucial for global applications like online gaming, where milliseconds matter. Geolocation routing enforces geographic restrictions. Streaming services use this to comply with content licensing. Failover routing provides high availability by automatically switching to backup resources when primary systems fail, ensuring your website stays online during outages. CloudFront accelerates content delivery through over 400 global edge locations. Think of them as local warehouses for your digital content. When a user in Tokyo requests content from your US-based application, CloudFront serves it from the nearest Asian edge location instead of making the round trip to America. This dramatically reduces loading times. Beyond caching static files like images and videos, CloudFront also optimizes dynamic content delivery. E-commerce sites like Amazon use CloudFront to deliver product images instantly while maintaining fast checkout processes. The service includes built-in DDoS protection and SSL certificate management, making it both faster and more secure than serving content directly from your origin servers. Now let's see how these services work together in a real e-commerce platform. The architecture uses public subnets for load balancers that distribute incoming traffic, and web servers that handle user requests. Application servers and databases live in private subnets accessible only through the web tier. Route 53 provides DNS failover between multiple AWS regions. If the primary region fails, traffic automatically routes to a backup region. CloudFront accelerates the delivery of product images, CSS, and JavaScript files globally. Security groups enforce strict access controls. Web servers only accept HTTPS traffic. Application servers only accept requests from web servers, and databases only accept connections from application servers. AWS networking services provide the foundation for building robust, scalable applications in the cloud. VPC gives you complete control over your network environment with enterprise-grade security. Route 53 ensures your users always reach healthy resources through intelligent DNS management. CloudFront delivers exceptional performance for global audiences. Together, these services enable you to build applications that are secure, highly available, and performant at any scale. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.